Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So if you want to change the language on your Apple Watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Watch application, and once the devices are paired together, we can open the Watch application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Now we can scroll through the list of options, find the general option and tap on it, and here find the option called language and region, and then tap on it, and here you have two options you can choose. You have mirror my iPhone. Basically, if this option is selected, the language will be mirrored from your iPhone. So if you have, for example, English set on your iPhone, that language will be set on your watch. But you can do it basically you can select custom, and it allows you to have different language on your watch and different language on your iPhone if you like to. And here we have the list of preferred languages. By default, you will have only one probably, and you can add a language by tapping on add language. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, tap on it. As you can see, now we're being asked if you want to use it immediately, and you can keep the one that you already have selected at the moment, or you can change it immediately to the one you selected. And once you select the language, it will be applied. And how this list works basically is that the language at the top of the list will be applied on your watch. So let's wait until it's done applying. And if we open something like menu, the language should be changed to Italian, as you can see. And now we can bring it back to English by simply dragging English to the top of the list. And to do it, press and hold on the sorting button next to it, and then drag it to the top. And tap on continue, and the language will be applied. Of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.